Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, we will tell you about the top 5 hotkeys on YouTube. Let's begin. 1. The first key is F. If you press F on your keyboard, you will get a full screen. If you want to quit the full mode, press Escape. 2. The second key is K. You can pause or play the video with the help of this key. Of course, if you think about it, space works as well, with one condition. The video must be in focus, otherwise you will simply scroll the web page. 3. Keys J and L. With their help, you can rewind the video for 10 seconds forward or backward. You can also use arrows, but they will rewind the video only for 5 seconds. 4. Let's move on to the volume hotkeys. If you press M, you can turn on or off the sound. You can use the arrows up and down to manage the sound level. 5. The last one. Every video on YouTube is divided into 9 parts. They are equal in duration. So, if you press keys 1 to 9 on your keyboard, you can go to the beginning, middle part, and the end of the video. If you press 0, you will go to the very beginning of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.